Hey, everybody. How you doing? It is LaShawn Adesimilolu.
And this is Moses Adesimilolu.
We are the co-founders of
Rise Business Solutions.
And what we do, guys, is we help tax entrepreneurs to build,
motivated,
scale,
inspired.
We help
enthusiastic, because you have to be well-driven, not
That's
just
right.
anybody.
That's right. We help you to build, scale, and sell profitable tax businesses. So when we're not helping our own clients to save more money on their taxes, we help other individuals to level up and start profitable tax businesses.
Yes.
Today, guys, we're here with another video showing up in our business, letting you guys know what we are doing, and hopefully inspiring you to go out and do the same.
Yes, we are here today to just come to you and just let you know that we are here. We are here for all of you. You that are watching right now, we are right here for you. Are you a tax preparer looking for a way to level up? Or are you a taxpayer who is just looking for a reliable, worthy tax professional to take care of you? We're the one for you. But we're not here to talk about that today. We're here to talk about creating a wonderful customer experience.
That's right. So what we're doing in our business, guys, we always like to make sure that our clients feel appreciated and are happy with our business. We make it a point to ask for reviews and make sure that we're living up to what we want to live up to.
Yes.
And so what we're doing today is breaking down our customer experience for our tax business and making sure that we're doing everything correctly. So we want to first talk to you guys just a little bit about what is a customer experience or customer journey. Now, the information that we're going to be talking about, what clients crave, it comes to us from a book, What Customers Crave by Nicholas Webb. So you can get that on Amazon or Audible. But basically, there are 5 touch points that we need to be aware of that our clients are looking for. All right, what's the first touch point?
Yeah, so we already have a video for this, so we're not going to talk too much about this. It's going to be really brief, but we just want to just brief you about it. The first touch point is a pre-touch point. A quick story about that. When I first started doing taxes, I didn't even know nothing about doing videos. I didn't know anything about even automating my tax business. I was just a regular taxpayer down the street. So what I do is just post my flyers on Laundromat and, just hope somebody will just hit me up. Post my flyers, just different places, passing my flyers at different locations. And one day a lady just hit me up and said, you know what, Mr. Moses, I saw your flyer at the Laundromat and I was wondering what kind of services do you offer and would you be able to help me out? This is a pre-touch point. She saw my flyer at a Laundromat. That's the pre-touch point. So this is before they actually get to do business with you, they see you. They see your business and they're intrigued. They like, okay, what is this that you're doing? Like you guys watching this now, this is like a pre-touch point per se, because you might not really know us, but you see us with these videos and you might get intrigued. You might be like, what are they talking about? Let me look more into them. This is pre-touch points.
Right. So pre-touch point is before they come in contact with your business. Next is going to be the first touch point. And that's when they actually might engage you. So in his example, when she called him up, she got a flyer that he left in the laundromat. And then she called him up and talked to him. So that's the first touch point. What feelings are we giving to our clients? Our potential customers when they first come in contact with us.
Exactly.
It could also be a website, a Facebook page, whatever that first touch point is when they actually start engaging with you. The next touch point is pivotal touch point.
Yes, pivotal touch points.
That's actually when a prospective client decides, hey, am I going to do business with this person? So it might be looking at your videos and deciding, you seem like a knowledgeable person. I think I'm going to do business with you. Or calling you and then you're giving them good information and they say, hey, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and do business with you. So that is the first touch point. And we want to make sure all of our touch points are taken care of so our clients are feeling good about us at every turn.
So like you were saying, the pivotal touch point now is, now they've already hit you up, you've already told them your services, you told them how you could give them such a great service, how you could help them out. They're happy now, they're excited, they came to you, you meet up, you know, either if it's virtual, we're going to talk as far as doing taxes. You know, the lady came into my office and, you know, she sat there opposite me and we started talking and getting to know each other more. This is like the pivotal touch point. We getting to know each other more. You know, I'm getting to know her needs. I'm getting to understand what she needs from me. I'm rendering the service to her. So the pivotal touch point, this is what's going on. She's happy.
Exactly.
The
you
taxes
give them a
is done.
quote, hey, it'll be this. Do you want to go ahead? And she says yes. And then you're like, aha, you know, now that's my customer.
Exactly.
And then another one.
Another
so
one.
that's when we get to the pivotal. So next is going to be the prime touch point. Now, guys, this is where...
ripe, like prime for ripe. It's ripe.
This is where a lot of us drop the ball sometimes, especially as tax professionals. And trust me, we've been there. So, you know, you get somebody's information, you process their tax return, and then it's like all this empty space before they actually get paid from the IRS. And for a lot of tax preparers, you know, we're kind of crossing our fingers like, you know, I hope this client, our customer does not bother me, you know, until they get paid. You're just kind of hoping that they stay silent. But this is actually a great opportunity to fill in that space with asking them, you know, upselling additional products and services. So if you offer, you know, insurance or bookkeeping or you selling something, anything else you're selling, they've already done business with you. They trust you at this point. This is an ideal opportunity to ask for an upsell, to ask for a review, or to ask for a referral. So, you know, one of the things that we challenge all of our tax professionals to do is during this period, during this touch point, make sure you're reaching out to your clients and talking to them, asking them, do you know anybody else that can use my service? I can give you a referral fee. This is a really good time to really engage with your clients. And that is the fourth touch point.
Yes, this is like very important because this is when they actually have done business with you and now they like you and you still want to keep that energy going. You still want to keep that fuel pumping. So this prime is, excuse me, it's like prime. It's like when the seed becomes a fruit, you know, it has to become a tree first, right? It becomes a fruit and then it ripens up. It's prime. So this time right now is when you want to actually juice them up. You want to say, okay, you know what? Your refund is going to be here in about 7 to 14 business days. You're checking up on the refund for them. Oh, you know, you're actually about to get paid in the next few days. They're excited. You know, this is time. And then you can be like, you know what? I do credit repair. Or I know my sister who does insurance. Or I know somebody who sells cars. Anything. At this point, they're like, look, I'm telling you, y'all, it works like magic. Somebody has literally asked me. She said, I know you're African. You gotta go get the baby. Go get the baby. She said, I know you're African. And she's like, okay, well, since you're African, I know you sell cars, right? So how about this? Why don't you find me a car? And guess what I did, y'all? I found her a car because I don't even sell cars no more. I mean, that's old news. But I was able to still find her a car because she trusted me. She was already at the prime touch point. So now let's go into the last one. This is the post touch point. And the post touch point is just pretty much saying, you know, basically you've already rendered your service, they've gotten paid. Come back, baby. You've rendered your service and they've gotten paid, and then it's like, okay, you don't want to just let them just forget about you. Like, you don't want to wait till 12 months next year taxes to be like, oh, okay, come on right here and just forget about you. You still want to touch the shoulders. You still want to be like, hey, you know, I still do taxes. Hey, you just want to just say, yeah, 1 second, baby, we're going to play. Just say, you know, I still do taxes.
Wait, we're doing a video. Just wait 1 second, okay?
It's okay.
Guys, this is a family business. Welcome to my family.
Right. This is the family. This is this little family here, guys. You just got to see all of us right here in one whop. So, like I'm saying, the post touch point is just basically tapping on the shoulders. Like I'm tapping Juwan's shoulder now. Hey, you know, I did your taxes. Just want to say, okay, I'm offering this. Give him that story about the person that you bought something from, and they still was like tapping up on it.
Yeah, it's so many opportunities that happens, guys. Especially what businesses.
Okay.
I'm sorry, I'm a little. I'm a little flustered, y'all. But
It's okay.
with Post Touch Point, it's just really important that we continue to follow up. Guys, please. Okay? It's important that we continue to follow up on our clients at the Post Touch Point. We don't want them to think just because we're tax professionals that they're not going to hear from us again. So what we do is we send out weekly tax tips to our list, to our clients, and we let them know, we're here for you. We're here for you throughout the year, so no worries. So like we said, that Post Touch Point is just as important, if not more important, than all the other touch points.
Yes, it's like very important, because this is the point now where they actually remembered you. Like, I've actually had people say, "Oh, you know what? It's because I was getting your emails. I actually remembered. I lost your number." Yo, wait. We're doing this video, okay?
Okay,
Just
I need you guys to go downstairs for a minute, okay? Guys, we're gonna wrap this up, but we came here today and we shared with you guys 5 touch points for your client journey. Now, it's really important that we're very intentional, that we set the scene for our client journeys, and we understand exactly what every client is going to get. That's what H&R Block is doing. That's what Jackson Hewitt is doing. That's what all these big Fortune 500 companies are doing. They're sitting down strategically and saying, this is what I want every single client to experience. And so we should do the same thing.
Yeah, so let's recap that again for you. Please mind our family.
Don't mind them.
You know, because definitely they're just adorable and beautiful. You just have to just love them, you know. And we got something exciting. We got the green screen behind us.
I don't know if you guys have noticed.
You know, it's the green screen, and we get to just make different backgrounds and be all movie-like and all this great
very
stuff.
Exciting things happening for y'all. Y'all know we're doing videos. Shout out to our YouTube channel. Check that out.
Check that out.
We're gonna get really creative with this green screen, guys. So a lot of exciting things happening.
So let's recap the touch points for the viewers once more time.
We got the pre-touch point. That's before they actually come in contact with you.
All right.
We have the first touch point. That is when I can't.
It's okay, guys. Love us. The pre-touch point is when, you know, they actually see your business. The first touch point is when they actually contact you. The pivotal touch point is when they're actually doing business with you. The prime touch point is when you are actually rendering the service to where, you know, they're happy that they've done business with you. They're excited. And then the post touch point is just basically when you just tapping on the shoulder, you just letting them know that you still right here, you still in business. They can still know you, like you, and trust you, and then come back again and again and again and again and refer you more clients. What are you doing in your business to retain your clients? If you want to just feel free, you could drop a comment. I know today we had our children in here, but you know, we're human beings. I'm sure a lot of you guys are parents, so you definitely will understand. And this is the life of an entrepreneur. When you're an entrepreneur, you get to be with your children more. So, you know, you guys are going to be seeing more of our children. So if you don't like it, you can definitely unfollow us now if you want to. If you do, that's perfectly fine. And we're going to be right back again tomorrow for another wonderful video for you guys.
Right, guys, don't forget that you can like us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube under Rise Business Solutions. If you are a tax entrepreneur who is looking to get started in the industry, or if you're a seasoned tax entrepreneur who is looking to scale and level up your business, be sure to book a consultation using the link in the bio. We have our next mastermind session coming up, which is very exciting. Well, we're going to teach you how to build a 6-7-figure tax business that can run without you. So until next time, guys, take care and much love.
Peace and blessings.